Hey everybody, this is Deidra with Texas Pass. I'm a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and if you didn't know, now you do. So today what we're going to go over is Grand Homes. For those who aren't familiar with it, it's a builder out all over across the states. This particular home that we're focusing on is going to be in McKinney. So let's take a look at exactly where that's at. Over here you can see that McKinney is just a little north of Dallas. It is a really great area. Lots of things to do, lots of easy access to the freeways and so forth like that. So if you're new to Texas area, you're going to love this area, definitely. Let's go ahead and take a look at the floor plans we're looking at here. This is Grand Homes off of Lake Forest. This is actually the Lake Forest floor plan. As you can see, this home is absolutely nice, right? Right now they have the office space there, but that would definitely be converted into a garage on your floor plan. So if you're thinking, oh my goodness, where am I going to park my Corvette? It'll be there. Go ahead and take a look at the front elevation here. This is really nice. Lots of windows, lots of sunlight that you can get in there. Landscaping is on point. Very nice here. As you can see, this floor plan does have the standard roof here. It has some metal roofing. It has some stone up front, some brick. This home here is beautiful. It has a pool in the backyard, sitting area. And in Texas, you can pretty much sit outside about 9 months out of the year, maybe even 10. So you'll definitely want your nice backyard to be great. It's a little closer shot here. It's great. This is the inside here. This floor plan does come with a 3-car garage. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage. Now this 3rd-car garage could be turned into a different living space if you don't need it. So definitely you can make those changes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 2nd floor of here. Very nice. Now that staircase, wait till you see the pictures. That is an amazing staircase. Like it's almost spiral all the way up here. This floor plan that we are going to look at is the model home. So the thing that'll be different upon it is that the game room is an extended game room. Now this is an extra $30,000 for this feature, but you get more square footage on your home. So from where this line is at here, you go out to about right here up on the extended game room floor plan. Let's see here. This is one of the elevations. So this floor plan does offer 5 different elevations. And if you don't know what that is, that just means it's the same on the inside, but the outside is a little different. So you can kind of, fix it however you like. If you like more stone, you can go with stone. This offers stone, brick, and different metal aspects. So this is one of them here. You can see the metal here with the brick and then stone. And then if this is your first time buying a brand new home, let me tell you, the colors that you can choose up on this home are just great. So if you don't like this lighter color brick, you can definitely go darker. This is another one of the different elevations that they offer. This one has a little bit more stones. It has a little balcony up here. It looks like the porch is extended out on this one. Very nice still. This one is beautiful as well. You can see the stone that goes around here. They kind of get rid of the porch up front, puts a little extra metal right there. The roof does have like a little bit more height to it, so it looks really nice. This one is definitely beautiful as well. You can see some of the different colors, and like I said, if you do like darker brick, you'll definitely like the options that Grand Home will offer to you. This is another elevation that they offer as well. You can definitely get a good feel for it here. Now let's go ahead and take a peek on the inside of this model home. That's nice. I love the stairs that we were looking at, and as you can see, right in the stair opening is almost a complete circle around, which is a really cool feature there. Right here you have one of the front bedroom areas. It's real open. This is a nice little formal living area. One thing that this model home app offers you is all the upgrades that you can just imagine, and which When you will go into the design center, your options are limitless. If you like this wood looking beams that go across the room, you can add that in there as well. This is another view of it. Very nice. Lots of windows and big spaces to see outside, which is really great. If you like natural lighting like I do, you'll like that. Now this is a view that I think really captures this floor plan here. The fireplace, you can see, it has this incredible design up on here. You have the wood floors. You can see the kitchen is very open. And if you're like me, when I cook, I like to talk and cook at the same time. So I like having my living room right there so I can watch TV and talk with all my guests while I'm preparing maybe that Thanksgiving meal. Up here, the chandelier is a golden chandelier. It's very nice. You can see the opening to the upstairs and the beams upstairs. This floor plan is just incredible. And we'll just keep going through it. Now this home does start a little bit over $1 million, starting at $1,017,900 is the base plan. Like I said, this model with this floor plan layout, now this does not include the upgrades, but just this floor plan layout where you get the extra square footage is an extra $30,000. But this home, the square footage on this floor plan, your options can start anywhere from 3,620 square feet all the way up to 4,352 square feet. So it's really, really nice. Let's go through some more of these photos here, and I'll show you some extra little features here. If you like to decorate, you're going to really like this nice little hidden area up here. So when your guests walk by, they make sure you don't miss any extra little details here. Let's see here. This is one of the guest bedrooms. Like I said, this is a 5-bedroom, so you do have 4 guest bedrooms. This is one of them. And they all have these like bay windows, which I think is a really incredible feature. You can put carpet in some bedrooms, or you can go flooring throughout. This is another bedroom here. And if you can see this floor plan, like right here on this window, is not square. It kind of has a little shape to it. So I think you'll like that extra feature on this grand home. Huge closet. Another bay window there. One of the bathrooms here. You can see the granite countertops. The nice toweling in the shower area there. Tile flooring. Very nice. This one does have the gold features, like very much kind of like a bronze, almost like up on the faucet here. So you have those options. You can go bronze, nickel. The design center would just totally get you on that, okay? Now this is the view here. Upstairs, downstairs, you can really take a look at, look at that incredibly big window in the living room. Oh my goodness, you will love that. And you can really see the kitchen area, the living area. You know, up here on this second floor, it has the game room. So it's a good way if you're sitting down there, you can still hear what the kids are doing upstairs in case you need to yell at them. You know, they can hear you real loud and clear. Now this is where you come up the stairs, and as you can see here, grand homes are really grand. Look at this staircase. I believe we have another shot of this staircase here for you too. Oh, it skipped it. Let's go back. Here we go. This is really capturing the grandness of this grand home on this Lake Forest floor plan. It is really nice. I really like that. It's definitely different than a lot of homes. You have your game room here, pool table, hockey table, air hockey, and a media room is right behind it, which is really nice too. Just look at a couple of different angles here. Look at that chandelier. Now look, if you take a time to take a look at this ceiling here, as you can see, this ceiling is vaulted. It has the beams going here, and I think that's a really nice extra feature that comes with this floor plan that you might want to look at upgrading to. Let's see here. This is the media room. And as you can see, it has another fireplace in here. And the fireplace is a tile fireplace. And I think it looks really incredible. Carpeting in here as well. You have 4 windows in here. You can put your blackout curtains, and it's really nice. Card table area here. Lots of ideas and space you can use up there and just kind of create it to your own. It's a little game room area here. With a home like this, you really don't need to even leave home very often on vacation, because this is just like a resort in your own home. So when you get off from work, you'll love to come home to this. This is your laundry area here. Lots of counter space in here as well. Lots of cabinet options. Office area, or another bedroom here with a nice little bay window again. Now this is nice. Like, this size is nice. And the thing I like about this grand home floor plan is these bay windows everywhere. I love those options that they're offering me, because, you know, me, I'm all about options. Like, what kind of options can I get? So I think with this home, being able to build it from the ground up and pick your tile, your flooring, your granite countertop colors, and different shades and everything, your faucet fixtures, you can really customize this home. It's really nice. Now, if you see right here, and we might have a better angle of it closer, but I'll show it to you right here. This island here has a built-in wine rack. So after a long day at work, it's nice to have that access just right there for you. Let's take a look here. It's a beautiful kitchen. And if you're a cook, this kitchen is the spot to hang out in. As you can see, you have a nice bar area in here where people can sit right there and talk with you. Lots of counter space to put all your food layout, or when you have family coming in. Gas stove, which is very nice. Hooded vent, wood floors again through this kitchen area, and the cabinets. Now, the thing with your design center, you can even change the handles. So if you don't like these kind of handles on your cabinets, you have options there as well. Now, this is a nice area for entertaining. That table looks like it's huge, so you can definitely sit a big family there if you have. It's like another lots of windows here for the outside. And if you see right here, if you didn't notice, this cabinet actually has a glass front, which is nice. So you have any of like grandma's china that you want to display, and you don't want to get one of those old china cabinets, it's nice to have this feature in your kitchen. Another angle here of the kitchen. And we're just going to look around this kitchen here. It is a really nice open floor plan. Let's just keep going. Bar area here, which is great. Glass top on that bar, which was really nice. Another wine cellar area. So if you're wine, you can keep your whiskey in there or whatever. Now this is your master bedroom. So this primary room is just beautiful. You have the nice big bay window here. Lots of space, so you're not crammed in there. This is definitely your retreat when you need to go to bed, or you just want to watch Netflix. It's nice. Let's take a look at now this master bathroom. Oh my goodness. Some luxury hotels aren't this nice. The tub here, I'm loving it. It's nice and deep. I can just see me sitting in there drinking a glass of that wine right there. That's nice. And then you have your two vanity areas, which is great because I like to keep my stuff separate from my husband. So I think y'all will get that. Shower is good. When you're in a hurry, the shower is nice and huge. And then you can see it's kind of open here. So it's really cool because, you know, the water flows is just so different. It's so different. And then you have two entries into your closet here. Now wait till we take a look in that closet, which I know we'll be getting to shortly. It's another angle of the bathroom. And look at these windows around this vanity. It's nice. Very, very nice. Now here is the closet. We have racks on racks on racks in here. It is nice. So this is the grand home. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the video we have here. Right here. This is the grand home again. Some nice aerial shots of this. Look at the community. You can see it's all built up. If you look back here, you can see a school. The freeway is right over here, so there's definitely easy access for you. This neighborhood is almost finished in this phase. Over here, they begin in the next phase, so it's really cool. Now, here is the pool. Again, if you're new to Texas, when it's over 100 degrees, this is going to be where you want to go, especially if you don't put the pool in the backyard. It has a nice little community center here. Nice sitting area. Now they'll have chairs and everything. By the summertime, this is going to be the spot. Over here, you can see there's another tollway access right here. That's the main road of Lake Forest. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Then you can see some of the different options grand office. Like you see the difference in this roof here. You have different options on your home. Different floor plan layouts. Some of your neighbors have cool pools, so you definitely have those options. And let's see, we're coming in here up on our floor plan. And let's see, this can be your home. Like this can be your home. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Look, you have a nice little patio area. Nice little feature that they can add up on here for you. The pool, still have grass area for your pets. You can put a little playground stuff here as well. Let's go ahead and take a look some more. Now look at this. Imagine walking outside of here and coming and sitting down. You're gonna love it. And I'm gonna love it whenever you say, hey, you wanna come over and go swim for a swim? I will be there. Let's see here. Very nice. I mean, very, very nice. If you're looking for a new build in Grand Homes, if you like this one or if you like any other one, or if you have any questions about new builds and you're ready to move, definitely give me a call. I'll help you through the process beginning to end. Again, we work with buyers at no cost to you. My contact information is below. We look forward to hearing from you. And until next time, take it easy.